Falls asleep while speaking. Question number 5. A 56-year-old man was admitted with complaint working for 3 days. The nurse is preparing to administer infusion of saline 1000 milliliters over 6 hours. What is the hourly infusion rate that the nurse needs to infusion therapy in ml/hour? A. 155. B. 167. C. 190. D. 217. The answer is B. 167. Question number 6. A physician has ordered clindamycin phosphate 300 mg to be administered intravenously. The available stock was labeled clindamycin phosphate 900 mg mg in 6 milliliters. What is the correct dose to be administered by the nurse? A. 2 milliliters. B. 4 milliliters. C. 6 milliliters. D. 8 milliliters. The answer is A. 2 milliliters. Question number 7. A nurse checked the medication chart of a patient, which has the following order: paracetamol 500 mg POQID. How many times a day should the nurse administer the medication? A. Once. B. Twice. C. 3 times. D. 4 times. The answer is D. 4 times.
If you wish to know more details about this book, feel free to contact me in WhatsApp. WhatsApp link I mentioned in description box.